In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Substack in Squarespace. This is a really useful technique for anyone who wants to integrate their Substack content directly into their Squarespace website, whether it's to boost visibility or simply streamline content sharing. Let's dive into the process and break it down step by step to ensure you get everything set up smoothly. First, you'll need to start by accessing your Substack account. Navigate to your Substack publications settings page. Once you're there, look for the Growth Features section. This is an area designed to help you expand your audience, and one of the key tools here is the ability to easily integrate a subscribe button into other platforms like Squarespace. Next, and this is a straightforward but essential step, you'll discover a unique HTML code snippet. This snippet is specifically designed for embedding your Substack subscribe button, offering a seamless link between your Substack and your website. Go ahead and copy this code as you'll need it shortly. Now let's switch over to Squarespace. Open your Squarespace site editor. This is where all the customization magic happens for your website. Within the site editor, you'll want to open the specific page where you want your subscription form to appear. With your desired page open, look for the option to add a new block. You'll want to add a code block here. On Squarespace, you can do this by clicking plus add block and choosing the code option from the menu. This is how you'll integrate the HTML we just copied into your site. Once the code block is added, paste the embed code that you copied from Substack. This action will effectively place your Substack subscribe button onto the page, ready for your visitors to use. But what if you want to embed a specific Substack post, not just the subscribe button? That's completely doable as well. Open the Substack post that you want to embed. You'll see a share button typically located on the right hand side of the post. Click it and select embed from the options. This will generate another HTML code specifically for your post. Copy this new HTML code as you did before. Then head back to Squarespace and navigate to the page or post where you want this particular Substack content to appear. Again, add a code block in the same manner as before and paste your newly copied HTML code into it. Finally, once everything is in place and looks good to you, make sure to save the changes. This action will ensure that your embedded content is live on your Squarespace site. Congratulations, you've just embedded your Substack into Squarespace, enhancing your website with directly accessible, engaging content for your audience.